What made Perfect 10 at the Araneta extra extra special were my guests. And I could not have asked for a better group of artists. Dream come true, ika nga. And not just one, but two dreams. First came the reunion ko with my co-champions and my very good friends na sina Rachel Ango, Christian Bautista, and Mark Bautista. And in such a fun and unexpected number. And then there was the production number with two of my greatest idols, Miss Regine Velasquez and Miss Lea Salonga. Tama ang sinabi ni Coach Lea before our number. It was truly once in a lifetime.
Isang araw. Araw-araw. May nagpaparamdam sa akin ng ganito. When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You looked like an angel. Your skin makes me high.
This is very different kasi it's very special. First and foremost, very involved si Sarah sa production. So, yung mga kanta talagang handpicked niya. So, yung kanya mga performances, if you notice, are all very heartfelt. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung mga kanta, especially kung narinig natin yung mga Creep, for example, na kahit nakaupo lang siya, nararamdaman mo yung lyrics ng kanta, yung emotion na gusto niyang ipamahagi doon sa mga tao.
What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
It will make her a more effective actor and a more effective singer when you experience life. Kasi kung wala kang nararanasan sa buhay, paano mo malalaman kung paano mag-sing about heartbreak? How do you know how to sing about pain when you've not experienced it yourself?
To all my haters, I love you. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for loving me a different kind of way.
Oh, I got carried away. Pasensya naman, kahit na gaano ka-strong, no? Minsan talagang maiiwan sa utak mo yung mga pag-criticize sa'yo ng ibang tao.
Take back the night. Come on, use me up until there's nothing left. Take back the night. Let me spin this way till you can't catch my breath. Take back the night. Ooh, don't know what the sun is what's in there. Take back the night.
Excited kasi parang bumabalik yung mga Night of the Champions days. Pero ngayon mas okay na yung mga suot namin. Mas maganda na yung galaw ko ng konti after 10 years.
Bigayan kami kasi pag nagpe-perform, pero mas gusto ko yung sa labas ng trabaho, pag nagbabond lang kami, pagka nagkakausap kami, walang halang showbiz.
She's up all night to get sun. I'm up all night to get sun. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get sun. We're up all night to get sun. We're up all night to get fun. We're up all night to get lucky.
Na sobrang nagpapasalamat kami kasi hindi kami nakakalimutan ni Sarah.
That is what you are. You're my golden star. And you make my wish go true. If you let me
surprise doon would be si Regine at saka si Leia. So, nagulat din yung mga tao kasi nag-perform sila ng napakagandang production number. I think credit goes to Sarah and si Sir Louie Ocampo for doing a very, very nice medley.
Masarap lang talaga. Masarap kasi na kumanta, na kasama mong kumakanta, talagang marunong kumanta. It's nice to sing with people who know what they're doing and who enjoy the music as much as you do and who really feel it. So, wala, I'm just looking forward to having a good time.
Sa pagkanta, ang dami-dami pa niyang pwedeng i-experiment, ang dami-dami pa niyang pwedeng gawin na alam kong magiging magaling na magaling siya. And what's good about her is that she's a total performer. She can dance, she can do everything.
I realize the less I know, step by stage, each page I turn, I travel only these. The more I have to know, what's wrong with wanting more? If you can fly, then soar.
Talagang grateful ako kay Miss Leia, kay Miss Reg, na just the idea na mag-trio kami ay talaga namang, ay sarap talaga na maharap ng heaven talaga. Pero, pagkatapos, kasabay ng heaven, meron ding parang sobrang kaba din.
We'll find a way of forgetting
It wasn't a perfect 10, it was a 20. Why? Because she was able to do things that she wanted to do regardless if they would like it or not. And that's a big, parang getting out of your shell, and she still succeeded.
Talagang sulit ang puyat, pagod at pawis na binuhos naming lahat para sa Perfect 10. The screams of delight and loud applause that first night were music to our ears. Lalo pa kaming natuwa when people told us that it was the best Sarah concert down. Napapalakpak naman ang mga tenga namin dahil doon. And it made everything perfect. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Much love, Sarah.
Napakalayo na ng narating mo, napakarami mo ng achievements, and happy ako at proud ako na kaibigan mo ako at I will always be here for you, sis. Hopefully, in succeeding seasons of The Voice, ikaw pa rin yung nasa kaliwa ko. Kasi kung hindi ikaw, it's not gonna be the same. So, yun lang. I love you and have a wonderful, wonderful anniversary.